Hello friends and welcome to my channel Shweta's Kitchen. This time I have brought for you a quick but healthy snack which you can give to your kids for breakfast and as a snack. For this I have taken boiled potato, shredded cheese, coriander, grated carrots and spinach. I've also used green chilies, and for the base I have used 1 cup of gram flour and half a cup of rice flour. So these are the ingredients at a glance. I forgot to mention paneer or the cottage cheese, which I added later on. So here I am giving a clip of it as well.
Hooray! Here we go! Here we go!
Now we are going to add all those vegetables one by one into our mixture of gram flour and rice flour. And now I'm going to add basic spices of salt, which could be as per your taste, a little bit of red chili, coriander powder, and that's it. I then rolled all those into small balls because I'll be putting these in a pay maker. And I shall now be transferring these balls into the appay maker. I've already set the flame to a little bit medium to high, and I've added 2 drops of oil into each cavity, and now I'm transferring all those balls into cavity one by one. Appay maker is a multifaceted pan. You can use it to make any snack of your choice and with any set of ingredients that you like or your kids prefer. So here I am transferring all those balls into the appay maker. I'm now going to cover the appay maker and let those balls get cooked. The balls have started to simmer, and now I'm going to roll each and every ball of the appay so that they get cooked completely and nicely.
We're cooking perfectly! I can't wait to be crispy! We smell amazing! This is so much fun! We're gonna be delicious!
Here the appays are almost getting ready. Now I'm going to take these out one by one. Look how beautiful they look. All sizzling and simmering together. I would cover these once again with the pan and let them simmer for a minute or two more. Finally, these are ready. I'm now going to transfer them into a plate to soak the excess oil, if any. They turn out to be really very crispy and really very delicious. This is how the final look was.
Thank you, Mom! Thank you, Mom.
So thanks a lot all of you for your time. I really appreciate. Bye.